Welcome, everyone, to today's session into a topic that has the potential to change the way you see yourself, your actions, and the world around you. Welcome to Sustainability Coaching, what it is, who it's for, why it's so important, and most importantly, how it can transform your personal life and the world you're a part of. Imagine a world where your everyday actions not only serve your own well-being, but also make a lasting impact on the environment, your community, and future generations. That's the power of sustainability coaching. Let's begin with a simple but powerful question. What is sustainability coaching? At its core, sustainability coaching is about guiding individuals and businesses to make choices that are not only good for themselves, but also good for the planet. It's about aligning your actions with a broader purpose, one that includes environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and personal well-being. But here's where it gets exciting. Sustainability coaching isn't just about cutting waste or reducing energy use. It's about transforming your mindset, seeing sustainability as a holistic approach that improves every aspect of your life. When you live sustainably, you're not just making eco-friendly choices. You're choosing a life that's more intentional, fulfilling, and connected to the world around you. Who is sustainability coaching for? Let's talk about who can benefit from sustainability coaching. The answer is simple: everyone. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent managing a household, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to live a more mindful life, sustainability coaching has something to offer. It's not just for environmental activists or large corporations. It's for anyone who wants to live with more purpose and create a positive impact through their choices. As a coach, I often meet people who feel overwhelmed by the idea of sustainability. They think they need to overhaul their entire lifestyle to make a difference. But here's the truth. You don't have to be perfect. Sustainable living is about progress, not perfection. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. So ask yourself this: what kind of impact do you want to have? Whether you're just starting on your sustainability journey or looking to take it to the next level, sustainability coaching can meet you where you are and guide you toward where you want to go. So how does sustainability fit into your life? Take a moment to think about your current habits. Do you recycle regularly? Are you mindful of the products you buy or the energy you use? Or maybe you're already practicing sustainability in certain areas, but you're not sure how to take it further. As a coach, I want you to reflect on this question. How can sustainability become part of your everyday life? Whether it's in your home, your workplace, or even in how you interact with your community, there are countless opportunities to live more sustainably. Here is another question. What's one area of your life where you could introduce more sustainable practices? It could be as simple as switching to reusable bags or reducing food waste. The key is to start small and build from there. So what does sustainability coaching do? Now that we've defined who sustainability coaching is for, let's dive into what sustainability coaching actually does. Sustainability coaching is about guiding you toward mindful choices, decisions that benefit both you and the environment. It's about helping you create a roadmap for sustainable living that fits into your life. This might involve looking at your personal habits, your professional goals, or even how you engage with your community. But here's the beauty of sustainability coaching. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. As a coach, I work with people to create personalized strategies that reflect their unique values, lifestyle, and goals. We dig deep into what matters most to you, and we create a plan that allows you to live sustainably in a way that feels authentic and achievable. In a nutshell, sustainability coaching empowers you to take action, provides you with the tools you need to make meaningful changes, and holds you accountable to the goals you set for yourself. Here's a coaching takeaway: empowerment through action. Here's the first actionable step for you. Identify one area in your life where you feel disconnected from sustainability. Maybe it's in how you consume products, how you travel, or how you manage waste in your home. Once you've identified that area, think about one small, tangible action you can take to make a difference. For example, let's say you want to reduce your carbon footprint. Start by committing to walking or biking once a week instead of driving. If you're focused on reducing waste, challenge yourself to go plastic-free for a day. Remember, it's not about doing everything at once. It's about taking consistent steps that lead to real, lasting change. Now, why is sustainability coaching important? Next, let's tackle the why. Why does it matter? We live in a time where our actions have a profound impact on the planet. Climate change, resource depletion, and social inequalities are issues that require urgent attention. And while governments and corporations play a huge role, individuals like you and me also have the power to make a difference. Here's the thing. Sustainability isn't just an environmental issue, it's a human issue. The choices we make today will affect future generations. Sustainability coaching is important because it gives you the knowledge, the confidence, and the motivation to make informed choices that contribute to a healthier planet and a more just society. But let's bring it back to you for a moment. Sustainability coaching is important because it helps you align your values with your actions. It helps you feel good about the choices you're making, knowing that you're contributing to a better future for yourself, your family, and the world around you. So here's another question. What motivates you to live more sustainably? Is it concern for the environment, a desire to leave a positive legacy, or simply a wish to live more mindfully? Now that we've talked about who it's for, what it does, and why it's important, let's dive into the how. How does sustainability coaching actually work? Sustainability coaching is a collaborative process. It starts with understanding where you are in your sustainability journey and where you want to go. Together, we set goals, create a plan of action, and track your progress along the way. As your coach, I'm here to support you, challenge you, and help you stay accountable to your vision. The process is highly personalized. We'll look at various aspects of your life, your habits, your values, your work, and your home environment, and we'll identify opportunities for sustainable living. It might involve creating an eco-friendly home, reducing waste in your office, or even becoming an advocate for sustainability in your community. But here's the key: we focus on achievable steps. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the magnitude of environmental issues, but sustainability coaching breaks it down into manageable, actionable tasks that fit into your lifestyle. Here's a coaching exercise for you. Take one sustainability goal you've been thinking about and break it down into smaller steps. For example, if your goal is to reduce waste, break that goal into smaller actions like composting, reducing plastic use, or switching to reusable products. Here's my next question for you. What's one big sustainability goal you've been wanting to achieve? How can you break it down into smaller, more manageable steps? Now, what if I told you that sustainability coaching isn't just about improving your own life? It's about creating a ripple effect that touches the lives of others and contributes to global change. Curious how? Let's keep the session going. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How can sustainability coaching transform your life and the world around you? Sustainability coaching has the power to transform your life by helping you live more intentionally, mindfully, and purposefully. When you make sustainable choices, you feel more connected to the world around you. You start to see how your actions, no matter how small, contribute to a larger movement of change. But the impact doesn't stop there. When you live sustainably, you inspire others to do the same. Whether it's your family, your friends, or your colleagues, your actions serve as a model for how we can all contribute to a more sustainable future. Imagine the ripple effect of your choices. By living sustainably, you're not just improving your own well-being, you're contributing to the well-being of your community, the environment, and future generations. That's the true power of sustainability coaching. As we wrap up this introductory session, I want you to reflect on the ripple effect of your actions. Every sustainable choice you make, no matter how small, has the potential to inspire change in others. Now, what's one sustainable action you can take today that will inspire others to do the same? If you feel inspired by this session and ready to go deeper into sustainability coaching, hit subscribe. There's so much more to learn and explore, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Together, we can create lasting change. Here's my final thought for you today. Sustainability coaching isn't just about making eco-friendly choices. It's about transforming your mindset, your actions, and the world around you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your sustainability journey to the next level, remember that every step you take is part of a larger movement toward a more intentional, purposeful, and connected life. Thank you for joining me in this session, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you. Remember, your actions have the power to change the world.